Okay, hello everyone. First day in the new space. Actually like trying to pull orders and pack, so we'll see how it goes. I feel like I know where most everything is. I started like putting stuff up on the shelves, but there's a few mysteries that are just lined up in bins and boxes. I should know where everything is, but we'll see if the system works. Looks like 17 on eBay, 2 on Bricklink, which for eBay, that's really, really good. That is Friday afternoon through this morning. And I haven't posted anything new in well over a week at this point. So to have that many sales over the weekend is really, really good. First up is 76046 right here. Box is open, but all of the bags are still sealed. So got to sell it new open box. There we go. Okay, same buyer got these next two. They picked up Mario Rabbids and the Gargoyles VHS. I think I paid 50 cents for this, maybe $1, so that's cool. And it's, you know, when somebody buys two things like that, it's kind of hard to assume they're not a viewer. So maybe they're a viewer. If you're a viewer, thank you. All right, we are looking for the vinyl box. Vinyl records box. I know it came out here. There it is. And it should just be the first one on this side. Yep, this one I grabbed knowing absolutely nothing about it. Battlefield Earth, composed by L. Ron Hubbard. It was just one of those things that was like too weird to leave behind. Look at it, he's just like casually shooting his laser off to the side. He's not even looking at what he's shooting at. So, anyway, there we go. Next one is to a viewer. It says, "Hey Travis, just wanted to say that I'm a viewer and I really appreciate you making the videos. Keep at it and hope the move is smooth sailing." Well, I don't know about smooth sailing. The water got pretty choppy there for a bit, but gonna have to get used to that dog next door too. Okay, let's grab what you ordered. Oh, I set it aside already. And also shout out to Tanner. I had this listed. The play screen is yellowed. It's just not perfect. So I just turned on best offer. And then Central Iowa Bricks sent an offer. And he's a viewer, so there you go. And I'll throw in some extra Lego stuff for you too. With a name like Central Iowa Bricks, I assume you like Lego. So. All right, what's next? Out of D17, gotta love when I have stuff labeled. We're looking for a Jetty Starfighter. Is that the one? Yep, that is correct. There we go. And then somebody picked up all these as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Went ahead and set those aside while I was bringing stuff in. Okay. Oh, I see the box right here. Just gotta set it. Oh, that's heavy. Hold on. Okay. Holiday Singers, this one right here. And I know one of these Halloween ones sold. I can't remember which one off the top of my head. So we will be returning to this bin. Shabam. Back to the vinyl. Now I can get there faster because I know exactly where it is. Looking for, oh. You need to take the time to make sure these are all facing the same way. This thing right here. Just a little compilation of the 80s. And here we go. I think it's just this thing right here. Kind of a big box. Great, I can redistribute that and use this bin for something else. Excellent. So I bought all this stuff and all this other stuff in that box for $30. And I've sold 1 or 2 things out of there already. So that box has really been paying off. Last Guardian. Oh, right there. Okay. Woo. There we go. This one should be... this might take me a minute to... oh, I know that's sold. Let's set that aside. Oh, he's right here. Great. 2 for 1. So, Friday the 13th, Jason, and Shaggy. And this came out of the most recent haul, which I've been updating slowly, so I'll make sure and show you guys the update on that as well. Speaking of that haul, right here. This one, I might have to think about this one. No, it wouldn't be in here. Oh, didn't have to think too hard at all. It's Elf set. Is this the right one? It's gotta be. Yeah. If you recall, I bought a bag of this stuff for like $8 at a Salvation Army. Pulled one set out that sold for over 100, and then this one. Great, perfect. That's how the game is played. And this one should be, no, right here. Yeah, this one I've had for ages and ages. Finally sold. There we go. So this little setup here is amazing. Look at the organized boxes. Bubble wrap won't always work right there. I've got the labels just feeding down right here. And then I'm gonna get a desk right here and have my laptop there, so this becomes like shipping table. And that'll be wicked awesome. And I actually just turned this so it's standing up, and my bubble wrap's never going to be taller than that, so that could just be where it sits. That's exciting. Vader's looking extra grumpy right now. Okay, next is 2 Bricklink orders, which is going to be a little more challenging just because of the way things are set up right now. One's definitely a viewer, Johan again. Got a bunch of parts. And then the other one, not a viewer. All right, I might just put on a video and look for parts, because it's gonna be a little more difficult. All right, and I did it. So this is Johan. Johan, I'll throw in some extra parts for you, of course. Just a bunch of parts, which is great. It always helps clear out the drawer. And then this one is not a viewer, around the $40 range, I think. I can't see it from where I'm standing right now. But CMF stuff, rocket, and then they basically cleared out all my masonry stuff right now. So, awesome. I'm kicking myself because when I was bringing everything in here, I saw my little baggies. Oh, I see them. Yay! Great, so looking for these. Okay, that's all the orders. I did say I would update you on the spreadsheet for the June purchase. All in $547 on that day. $400 was to Steven. $147 spent at yard sales. Going on down the line. We're up to 16. Just did the post office. We're gonna go ahead and give this Goodwill another chance. It just makes the most sense to be the one to step into after going to the post office. I guess if I go often enough and disciplined enough, it's bound to turn up something, right? It is quickly becoming evident that that is going to become a frustrating situation. I'm going to give it a couple more tries, obviously. I did find some like vintage action figures. It was from Hook. It was Peter Pan and Rufio. They wanted $5. I could have sold them for like $5, $6 a piece. Trying to get out of small victories like that. I would rather get bigger wins for non-Lego anyway. So there's stuff going through the store, just not great stuff. There was also a lot of kids playing in the toy section, just kind of like not being monitored, which was annoying. And I didn't want to record people's kids, all that jazz. And they were making a mess, so that was a little obnoxious. I know they're just kids, but also like parents should watch their kids. Anyways, starting to ramble there a little bit. There is a Meijer right here. I am going to stop in the Meijer and check the clearance Lego section. I've never lived close enough to a Meijer to do this, so could be cool. I didn't get anything because I'm still setting up my office and I have some part outs I still gotta do, but there is still, I wish the clearance was a little bit, if the clearance had been a little bit steeper, I probably would have sprung for some, but it's probably just the wrong time of year to do that. But it's nice to know that that's there, and Meijer is like always putting stuff on clearance, like way more regularly in my experience than like Target or Walmart. So it's nice to know that's there for long-term money. It's not a quick flip money. So maybe I need to get back to doing yard sales, but I'm kind of out of commission for the next 2 weekends. When this is how you make your money, there's like the expense of moving, and then there's the expense of loss of income while moving. So that's a reality kind of slapping me in the face right now. This month, June, still went really well. I'll do the full breakdown next week, I suppose. Especially did really well for basically not putting up anything new for well over a week. We'll figure it out. I'm not worried. Just gotta get into problem solving mode.